Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. The G with the bow. So if you take a second to subscribe, also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So as far as my weekend, I need 12 offers for 5, which is awesome. My larger bonus, I need 50 for 10. Let me know what you guys got for your big bonus in the comments. I'm not sure if I'll be able to knock that out. If I do, I do. If I don't, then I just don't. I am still waiting for my offers for, well, I'm waiting to get paid for the insiders. Now, my issue with it right now is that I was waiting for my reviews to be approved by Walmart, and it was on my pending list, and now they're all gone. And you're supposed to send the insiders a screenshot of your review, your approved review, and your screen name or whatever. I can't do that because it's no longer there, and I'm not sure if that's normal, if it's approved but then it takes 24, 48, I don't know, for it to actually be posted on your reviews list or whatever. I don't know, but I'm still waiting. So I put a ticket in with the insiders to see what am I supposed to do, because I got paid for the squeezies before I even had to post on social media. Like, I got paid and I don't even think the review was approved by Walmart yet, because it was listed there too. I'll pop up a screenshot, because when I put a ticket in, I did a screenshot just to let them know that they were still pending. I think it was pending as far as the squeezies was last month, and then I think the Swagbucks and the crackers, Gerber crackers, Get-ems, were the first and the second, and it hadn't been approved yet. It was still pending. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen there. Like, if I have to take that stuff back, then guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have to take that stuff back. What the heck I'm gonna do with some baby crackers? I'm not paying for them. What I'm gonna do with some $14, $15 shampoo, conditioner? I'm nothing. All I could do with it is take it back to the store. So hopefully it works out. Other than that, y'all, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. When you go to Walmart, keep an eye out on the nutritional aisle, like the protein supplements and stuff. I saw a lot of shakes, snacks, bars on clearance on that aisle. Obviously check your freezer section. I will definitely be checking again today. And then also check your skincare, because there was stuff there on clearance. I've seen clearance also in the lotion aisle as well as the hair care. So definitely walk your store for clearance. With that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what you could grab, you know what to do. That like button, keep on watching, and happy. So I'm gonna be doing this deal again. I have another offer on aisle for one free one. It's on the, I believe it's pronounced Cadence. Let me Google it and see how it's pronounced.
Cadence.
They have this one. I don't think I got
Cadence.
See, now I don't remember if I got the cola or the melonberry. I know last time I got this one, I had the second one this morning at the gym, and I actually like these. So think I'm gonna get one of each. No. The offer is only for one for aisle. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one, priced at $2.78. You'll get back $2.78 through aisle. I'll have a link in the Google Doc, and $1 on Ibotta, making that $1 moneymaker. So I happened to see the Pleasy up here for 75 cents. So I'm gonna grab 2 of them. I'll pay $1.50 and get back $1.50 for Ibotta. I wanted to do a set for Walmart Rewards too, but I only see 3. All right, this next deal I cannot find at any of the Walmarts in my area. I know they do have it at Target. It's on the Steelers soda. I don't have a price point for it either, but we have a offer on aisle. You get 3 free, and so definitely not a bad deal if you can find it in your area. All right, next up is the Ocean Spray Pure. It's priced at $5.17. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $10.34, getting back $9.31 on Be Frugal, $1.50 on Checkout 51, making both of them a 47-cent moneymaker. Next up is the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar, priced at $3.67. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $7.34. We have an offer on Be Frugal for $5.26, $1 on Checkout 51, bring them down to 54 cents. Next up is the Clamato This is priced at $2.97. You want to grab two of them. You end up paying $5.94, getting back $5.56 on Be Frugal. It'll make them only 19 cents each. Okay, ignore the fact that I'm on the aisle, but this deal I did post on my community tab a few days ago. I'm not sure if it's still available, but it's on the Pet Life smart pads. I'm gonna pop up a picture. They were on a center pallet when I grabbed them, a part of the 4th of July clearance. Normally $24.44 down to $4.44, getting back $4 on either Walmart Rewards or Ibotta, making them 44 cents each. I grabbed a limit of 3 for both Walmart Rewards, one account, and Ibotta. And so yeah, so this deal here is on the Tide to-go pens. Are priced at $8.97. I'm grabbing two of them. That's going to bring that total to $17.94, getting back a buy one get one free offer on Ibotta, and then a free offer on Fetch, making them both free. I did post this clearance find on my community tab too. I just wanted to show you where they are located in my store. I don't think I didn't scan those blue ones. When I came, there was like a color, it was like a blue grayish. These blue ones might be 4th of July clearance. I know the red ones are. Those are $1.50. I'm gonna pull them out and scan them for you really, really quick. But I grabbed 6 of the red ones as if I needed them, because I didn't. And why do I low-key want to grab the blue ones if they're clearance too? And y'all know I don't need them. But I like that they're solid. So when I do my garage, I don't know, I think it's better if you can't see through them. Like, it's good if you can see through them because you know what's in it, but it's good if they're solid because it just looks more uniformed, if that makes sense. Let me just say that the only one that's on clearance is the red one, for $1.50. I'm gonna show you the UPC so you can check your area. The only one that's bringing up for $1.50. I grabbed, like I said, 6 of them that I didn't need, that I needed, that I didn't needed, you know what I mean? And so yeah, so check your stores. But like, this is literally the area that I found them in, like right here. They're kind of like in a cut. Right, and so here's on the Febreze on the go. They don't have any. They're priced at $2.08. Grabbing 2 of them, you would pay $4.16. We have an offer for Walmart Rewards for $3.50 back when you buy 2. Bringing them down to 33 cents each. All right, this next deal is on the Got to Be glued. Now for this, originally I was just gonna do 1 set, so I think I grabbed the what is this? The Edge Gel and the stick. They're priced at $6.97. The 2 of them is gonna come to $13.94, and then we have $9.52 back on Be Frugal. And Ibotta was $1 for the Edge and $1.50 for the stick, plus $1 bonus for buying 2. Making them 46 cents each. I was gonna grab another set, but the store I was at yesterday didn't have, all they had was, I think, the gel. They didn't have the other 2, so I just went ahead and grabbed a gel by itself for $6.97. Getting back $4.76 on Be Frugal, $1 on Ibotta, and then I have an offer for Fetch. I want to say it's spin, what is it? I think it's spin 18. Get back $1.80, making the third one a 59-cent moneymaker. All right, this deal here is on the Degree. Now, I've been grabbing the Degree spray, the orange one, at the other store for $2 on clearance, but I just wanted to mention it does still work on the Cool Rush as well, which is right here. It's priced at $3.97. For this, you were grabbing 2 of them. That's what it's going to come to, $7.94. You'll get back $5 on one of the sister apps, $1 on Checkout 51, making 97 cents each. I'm going to try be patient in hopes that this offer continues to go up, because it was $4. And so hopefully in the next couple of days, it'll go up a little higher. We did happen to get some check offers again on Ibotta. The same 3 that we always get. The Extreme is priced at $6.78. I'll be using a $4 Knox coupon. I know more recently we had $3 printables on coupons.com. I'll be using the $4 ones though. It'll bring it down to $2.78 out of pocket, getting back to on Ibotta makes it 78 cents with a limit of 3. Okay, and of course we have offers on the women's as well. The Skin to Mid is priced at $6.27, $4 printable, pay $2.27, get back $2 on Ibotta makes it 27 cent limit of 3. And the Hydro Silk $6.78, $4 printable, pay $2.78, get back to one Ibotta, making that 78-cent also limit of 3. All right, and then of course, again, we have the Dial hand soap. It's still priced at $2.58 on rollback. 2 of them is going to come to $2.58. I did have one more peely, so I'll pay $4.16 out of pocket, getting back 75 cents on checkout. 51, $3.28 for 2 on Be Frugal, making them 6 cents each. I don't have the offer for Ibotta or Walmart Rewards anymore, and so still is an awesome deal. All right, and then of course we have the Crest toothpaste. It is still working for the $2 offer on Ibotta, making it a $1 moneymaker. All right, so this deal here is on the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. The store was at yesterday had them flipped. Like this one was $5.50 and this one was $7. At this store, it's the other way around. So grabbing one at $5.50. We have an offer for Ibotta for $5 that make it 50 cents. I went ahead and grabbed one for Walmart Rewards as well. I think I might do the other 2 accounts for the other ones. Maybe I could sell them in a set. We'll see. Anyways, definitely is not a bad deal. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. The coupons for the razors, that one is still working. A lot of you guys do ask me about using coupons with Ibotta. How is it that I'm able to and others are not? I have not the slightest idea. If I have a coupon to use, I'm going to use it. And if Ibotta rejects the offer because I used it, then I just return it. All right, but 99% of the time, my offers do get accepted, even though I use a coupon. But yeah, the coupon for the Skin Cement and the Extreme, that worked fine. Coupon for the Dial worked fine. And so yeah, so with that being said, everything you see here retails $119.14. I had 25 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $94.14. We walk away with $40.50 from Ibotta, 27 from Walmart Rewards. Again, that's between 3 accounts. Be Frugal is $19.07. I am counting an extra $1.50 for cashing out for $20 for the PayPal. PayPal, we cashed out $10.16. Aisle is $2.78, and last but not least, checkout 51 is 75 cents. So we end up with a total of $100.26 back in rebates. It's going to make everything that you see here free, plus a $6.12 moneymaker, which is not bad at all. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Let me see a dog emoji in the comments if you've made it to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.